Cool. So the keys are in there?
No.
Oh, he has the key.
You just
Okay.
have to go through the process.
Cool.
Verification yourself. Do the verification. But once you do the verification, you should be good to go.
Sweet. Thank you.
Well, all I'm saying is I just want to look back and say that I did it the best I could while I was stuck in this place.
This is gonna be great because I haven't driven a car in 4.5 months, let alone a giant van.
Had as much fun as I could when I was stuck in this place.
Okay, so now a delicious Ethiopian coffee from the Ukro Cooperative. We are buying a lot of it because it's so good. So we're going to buy this 132-pound bag, which is pretty much standard size for coffee roasters to purchase, but they'll buy like 5 or 6, but we're still pretty small, so we're buying just one. I wonder if we can see it from here, because the warehouse is basically right there. Alright, so I guess we're like here, and at the end of this road. What is going on? It's a good thing we're here early, because I don't know where we are. I'm just gonna kind of park right here. So the place we get our coffee from is at this place called Continental Terminals. The problem with that is it's terminals, and we just discovered there are multiple, and we went to the wrong one. So we have about 30 minutes added onto our commute time. So we're out here in New Jersey to pick up coffee. We go inside to pick up the coffee, and they say, sorry, we have your coffee, but you can't have it until tomorrow. So I said, okay. Come outside, we're emailing the peeps, like, hey, can we have it today? Because they said it could be here today. And so now we're just waiting for that response, trying to not make a second trip out here until a much later time. Well, much like this swing set, I'm a little off. We are waiting to hear if we can actually pick up our coffee, and we found this little playground right next to the warehouse. So we're just hanging out here, goofing off. Today is Thursday. I'm super excited because today we get to pick up coffee. Monday didn't quite work out. Today's a new day, picking up coffee. And yeah, then we go back to LIC and roast it. See you out there.